I would say the biggest mistake is they skip what I would consider the diagnosis phase. So in other words, something broke. What you really want to know is why. Because if you just take something that's broken and you just fix it, the chances are it's going to break again, and probably in short term. So you want to know why it broke. Was it steel fatigue? Did you catch the part? Is it due to ejection? Is there some sort of weird ejection thing going on where the part's cocking? You want to be able to dig out and understand that, because the fix may be affected by why it happened. And a lot of times what I find, because presses are down, clients prioritize fixing it fast, maybe rather than fixing it right. They end up having the same problem a month down the road. So I think that's the biggest mistake. The longer your mold is out of the press, the less money you're making. And that's really what I think people fail to understand sometimes. Like, oh, I got this fixed really cheaply and really fast. Mold ran for a month, but then it was down for about 2 weeks. Did you really save money? Because if you look at it long term, you didn't.